So we just finished up on our D2 HP package on this 2019 L5P Duramax. First off, what's our D2 HP package? This truck's outfitted with the Whirly Custom Fab cold air intake, Whirly Custom Fab hot side intercooler pipe, and a Whirly Custom Fab cold side intercooler pipe. Every single component you can throw at it with the stock appearing turbocharger. Now guys, we've seen in testing on the dyno, these trucks put down 540 to 560 rear-wheel horsepower. You can check out the video in our description. Now, what have we seen during testing that is the weak link, or what is the product in this truck that can't flow enough air? So that's this. We upgraded our D2 HP package, now comes standard across the board to a billet compressor wheel that's installed in the truck. We've seen that the trucks can't flow enough air, and that's what the job of the new billet compressor wheel. It's only a couple $100 upgrade, now it's standard. So guys, we want to see if I'm full of shit or if this truck will actually go over 600 rear-wheel horsepower with just a compressor wheel. Let's see the results.
These things are torque based, so it has to see the demand to put it out.
BGT, I mean the duty cycle on the BGT 85 across the board. RPM right there. BGT command position. Okay, less duty cycle is open, so it's 4.343. Real pressure's up. We're just not boosting.
Yeah, not getting the boost we need.
We're not putting boost down.
Okay.
So we just got our 2019 L5P Duramax off the dyno, outfitted with our D2 HP package, and we got that billet compressor wheel installed in the truck. We've seen during testing over 600 plus rear-wheel horsepower out of those L5Ps. What did our truck do? 538 rear-wheel horsepower. Not something I want to call a customer and say, hey, I promised you 600, but 538. So let's talk about it. Is 600 in its potential? Yes, it is. So we looked at the data, we've seen what was going on. We're not making the boost pressure we should. We're in that 28 to 30 pounds. That's way low. We should be around 40. So guys, long story short, see the truck's not very smoky. We didn't go full fuel on the dyno. This is something I fell short on. I assumed that we would get this truck done, buttoned up, put it on the dyno, run one ECM file in it, and we make 600 rear-wheel horsepower. That did not happen. That's my fault. So I called the customer and I said, hey, I can get you to that 600 rear-wheel horsepower. Your truck only did 538 rear-wheel horsepower. A little hesitation, was waiting for him. He goes, man, anything over 500 rear-wheel horsepower, that's pretty good. I'm very happy about it. I was super, not happy with what I'm delivering to him, and I asked him again, can I have the truck a couple more days? Keep in mind, this customer, very thankful, he came in from Houston, so I want to deliver to this guy. I didn't, but he's super happy. So what do? It's Friday at 5, we pull the plug because it's going to take a couple days and he is on the way. We get the truck delivered to him, he drives it around. Guys, he's happy. He's very, very grateful for what he had done here, and we are too. So I learned a valuable lesson. The next time we get another L5P in, it takes me about 2 weeks to get these dudes lined out. I'm gonna take that time with them. So, moving on to business. We've got another L5P coming in. What are we doing with it? It's already equipped with our D2 HP package. We're moving on to our D3 HP package. It's getting a Whirly Custom Fab S400 Turbo Swap. We're taking the time, we're putting on the dyno just like it is. We're getting you guys the numbers. Then we're gonna do the turbo swap, and we're going back to the dyno. Make for sure you like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll be back with more L5P news next week.